Ever seen an excavator this big? With a single swing of its bucket, tens of tons of material are moved instantly. This is the Liebherr R 9800, one of the world's largest hydraulic mining excavators. This heavy machine has an operating weight of approximately 800 tons and is specifically designed for large-scale mining operations. Its bucket is capable of hauling up to approximately 42 cubic meters of material in a single lift, while its engine power reaches thousands of horsepower. With its immense size and power, this excavator is capable of working non-stop to move millions of tons of rock and soil each year. If you were given the chance to operate this giant excavator for a day, would you dare to try? Let us know in the